Morning, day 563 at Ross's house. We've got to pull out, you know, that tree we felled. We've got to get rid of the root stump. But unfortunately it's a Saturday and I don't own a stump grinder. So what I got was, I got Ross on the job. Look at him go! We've been discussing axe technique, and Ross is currently trying to learn how to slide his left hand down the shaft, and surprisingly he's picked it up very well. On a serious note, it is quite a big root stump. I'm not sure I've dug out bigger. I'm very tempted to abandon and get one on stump grinder on Monday morning, but Ross has said he's going to help me, so we're doing it. Look at that! But it's going to take some digging out. It's a lime tree and it's very knotty. I've never dug out a lime before. It's not very organised root structure. Is that it? So some people are like, well, doesn't your dog lose your clients? I'm like, well, no. He comes close though. And other times he's really useful. Oh yeah. He's getting that tree out. Keep going, Clive. Keep going. There's definitely a worm in there. Yep, it's more sort of that way, but keep going. Good lad. Clivey, in there. Yeah, there's a big worm in there. There we are. I think me and Clive are just coming to the same conclusion here. You can see he's just not interested anymore. He doesn't care. I care. We've dug all the way round really nicely. It's really well presented now. Something nasty round there up against the wall. So we'll get a stump grinder in and put Clive in the doghouse for a week for not getting it out. Clive, you're in the doghouse. There he is. Go on, in the van. Yes. Yep. I'm sorry. You've not done your job. I hate conceding defeat. I hasten to add though, it's not defeat. It's simply that I could spend another half a day, maybe a bit more, digging underneath it, getting the last thing and just getting it wobble. Once you've got a wobble on, it'll go dead easy. Tied it to the van, it just didn't move. I think I pulled the axle of the van a bit further towards the tree, but the tree, that didn't move an inch. Stump grinder boys it is, I think. Right.